Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It is, what's today? Today Wednesday. Yeah, today Wednesday. We having a feast. My mama promised us a feast on Sunday for Wednesday, so she been in the kitchen since 12 o'clock. As she should. Oh, I'm so sorry. But now it's my turn. Sit down, baby. I'm making this cornbread though. I love a cornbread. I'm about to show y'all how I do what I do. Cause my cornbread be busted.
Mama, what does that mean?
Yeah, you gonna help me. The baby gonna help me. But you give me help. So what you do is you get you 2 boxes of Jiffy. The honey kind. You need 2 eggs, milk, sugar, and honey. Sugar and honey. Cause it gotta be, it's not gonna be too sweet, like it's gonna make you lose a leg, but it gotta get sweet cause it's honey cornbread, like, duh. You gonna crack the egg, Kamara?
Yeah.
Okay. The baby gonna crack the egg. Wait. Hold on, give me 1 second. Y'all, this is what the muffins is giving. I'm about to butter my biscuits. Just take some butter and put it on there. I usually use honey butter, but this is all we got. Country crock. That's all we got. Thank you. Okay, we about to try it. This was the smallest one.
What does that mean?
You can try it too. Okay. This is what it look like. Nicey spongy. Bend down, bro. What you think, Eugene? Okay. Good morning, guys. It is Friday. Hold on. I'm rushing to get the baby to daycare because I didn't feel like getting out the bed this morning. This is my last day being able to just fiddle in the bed for however long I want to and not have to get up super fast. So, yeah, I had to enjoy that. But I'm on the way to take my baby to the daycare, so she can have a good day at school. It's already 8:45. I usually drop her off at 8:30. So yeah, we late. But we about to go to I'm about to go to the bins. Well, I think. Okay, guys, so I'm about to give y'all a quick haul. I was waiting on my mama. I was gonna give y'all both a haul at the same time, but I don't know where she's at, and I'm not waiting on her to show y'all. I could just show y'all regardless, okay? So first, I went to the Goodwill bins like I told y'all. I spent $23.68. Like that. See how you doing? I got 3 pair of pants. And I actually need to try them on because I know for a fact this gray pair I have to get taken up. Probably this pair too, because this is 6, but it say curvy fit. I'm not curvy, so yeah. So first pair, Toy Course. Probably can't tell because the lighting is like terrible, but that's okay. You get the idea. So Toy Course trousers, some gray ones. That's like, they got the like shimmer in it. I'm not even gonna try to focus in on it. These ones, these are small. These from Shein though. So I'm pretty sure I could fit them, but they just look funny. So I'm gonna try them on after they get washed. I got a couple dresses. I was so surprised to see dresses in my size. I know like usually when we go, my mama can find like cute stuff for work. So I knew I was gonna be able to find cute stuff for work in general, but I did not expect to find as much as I did in my size. Okay, so speaking of dresses, I got this blue one. It's cute. I'm thinking, I really think white shoes. I want some white shoes. I gotta find some, but I have like silver to go with it for now. This little blouse. I have like a lot of beige now that I'm actually looking at this stuff. Here's another dress. Cute, it's different. I like it. This right here, this is another dress. It's cute. I actually have some purple wedges, like this light purple that's in it. It's that same color, so. I found this sweater. It's not exactly for work. I just couldn't let it go. There's another dress. It's a sweater dress, and it's like that at the bottom. This isn't for work either. It says a large, but it doesn't give large at all. It's actually like scrunchy, so like, yeah, but it's super long. It's definitely not for work though. Cause this is the top. Like, definitely not for work, but it's cute. Here's a blouse. I need like a lot of undershirts, because a couple of them are see-through, like that beige one I just showed y'all, see-through. This one is see-through. Here's a, oh, here is a jumpsuit, which I thought it was a blouse. Not gonna lie, I thought it was a blouse, but it has shorts, so yeah, that's not for work either. Here's a cardigan, pink cardigan. Couldn't let that go. It's a medium, but it'll be fine. Here's a little gray printed blouse. Y'all see what I mean? But I'm gonna need like a lot of chemicals. Like it's literally like, this was not as see-through, so y'all can't really tell. But here's another dress. I like the neutral tones, clearly, with like pops of color. Here's a black dress. Here's a blouse. I mean, for this to be like my first stop and my first go round, like, I did good. Just to start off with, I did excellent. Plain black button up, need that, like. And I got a couple sweaters. This one I plan to wear it with like a collared shirt underneath, and then this one too, but this one is like a Valentine's Day theme. And I said if Valentine's Day is like on a weekday this year, then I can wear that to work. I also, oh, it's one more. This is a blouse. Boop. Cute. Can't go wrong. I went to Tender Hearts. Their clothes are like whatever like marked is half of that, and you can't beat that. So I got this. All this stuff was $11 that I'm about to pull out this bag. It's only like, it's 4 pieces, but still, it was $11. You know I had to get this. Dress. Super cute. Super cute. Another shirt. Hold on. It's like navy blue. It doesn't look it on camera. And then I got these shoes right here. Some little pumps. See? So that's it. That's all I got. And the 30, $34.68. All this. Alright. They good. 3 pair of pants. I don't know how many dresses. I don't know how many shirts. But I also do have stuff already in my collection. Like I got a whole 2-piece suit in my collection. I got a couple button-ups already. So I'm pretty much set, at least for like, I won't have to repeat an outfit, a full outfit, for maybe 2 weeks. So, and by the second week, I mean, first of all, shouldn't nobody be remembering what I'm wearing to begin with. But we're gonna see how this goes. Clock it. Okay, guys, I'm trying to do Kamara hair, but look at Kamara. Kamara's crying. But her hair is so pretty, right? Isn't her hair so pretty, guys? Hi, guys. Oh, this is not the beginning of the video, but good morning, besties. I'm on my way to get my hair done. I got on my scrubs. I got 2 clients today, though. So I'm on the way to get my blowout. Well, it's a roller set. I'm getting a roller set because that's what I want. Let me go. I'm just sitting here rubbing my mouth.
Yeah, he wanna hang with it, babe. He wanna hang with it.
Y'all, I'm an 8. And she trimmed me up real good. Y'all know I be scissor happy, so I can't trim myself no more. Don't look at me. I revoked my own privileges. I need to go ahead and wrap it up. I should have had her wrap it for me, but I'm tired. I need to get a doobie. I had to throw my other one away because it was wholly, like, it was just messed up. But y'all, I'm so excited. I'm about to go home. We had chilies yesterday and I didn't eat all that. I can't wait to put that in the microwave. Man, what? Ooh wee. Say hey. Hey. Hey y'all, so I'm home now, and now I'm putting together a shoe rack, maybe a wardrobe, a little garment rack. I don't know what my first outfit, I start work tomorrow. I don't know what my first outfit's gonna be. I think I'm gonna go like pants and then like, I don't know. Y'all know what's sick? Why the freaking shoe rack the same height as me? Probably taller. It's definitely taller than me. Okay, bye. I don't know. I gotta find some organization back here. I just haven't. Y'all, we about to try the banana pudding. I'm gonna have to tell her I do the more. Y'all don't eat bananas or pudding. That's all I'm good.
Dang,
that's nice. It's 27.
no, you mustn't get no award.
No, Sana.
But that's not funny.
I don't know. It don't have no bananas.
Not
I
funny.
don't like that.
He put some, but not a lot.
I don't like
tastes like-
bananas.
It tastes like banana. So now hold on, put your foot down real quick. Knock me out again.
I didn't even do it.
Send him my clothes.
Wait, what?
You didn't, because you keep playing.
I was trying to look for some.
He just jump up and down.
You said 1 pair of shorts, 1 pair of jogging pants, 2 shirts, and 2 packs of socks, and 1 pair of socks. And then you didn't send nothing else.
He knew, boy.
So you gotta wear what I got.
Clock that! Woo! You better clock that.
Can you turn around?
What you trying to say? What you trying to say? I don't have taste? You trying to say I don't have taste?
All he do is wear skinny jeans and crop tops.
What you trying to say? You don't like my
Stop! Mama, he biting me. I'm gonna stab him.
You don't like, stop!
I'm about to stab you. Move.
You don't like my taste? You trying to say I don't know how to dress?
No, can I at least see the stuff you gonna give me?
No!
No!
but crop tops anyway.
Bubba, I was asking.
Send the other stuff to your daddy. Tell him you need something for.
Get out my face.
No,
And stop biting me with
you
them train tracks on your
I
teeth.
don't care.
You don't have regular teeth to
Bubba,
bite
you're the
nobody.
only person who doesn't have train tracks.
Exactly. I don't want that. First day. Just checking in with you guys. Is there still a bobby pin in here? It's giving corporate baddie. It's giving. It's literally giving.